Let's imagine a real estate agent whose buyer wants to purchase a condo in Sunny Isles using Bitcoin. The agent has never handled a crypto-based transaction before and has no idea how to proceed. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how a situation like this can be handled, step by step, so you can see exactly what happens. Step 1, don't panic when you hear crypto. Crypto buyers are real, qualified buyers. Just because someone holds cryptocurrency doesn't make them a shady character or a criminal. Crypto isn't a fad. It's the future of money. When credit cards first appeared, everyone was skeptical. Crypto payments are at the same stage now. They seem new, but they're just the next evolution in how we pay. And if you want to stay a successful real estate agent in the next decade, you have to adapt to how your clients actually want to pay. Learn the process, don't lose the client. Step 2, introduce Moneytka early in the process, before the offer, not after. Let's make sure your client is qualified and that we can service them as a client. We will screen them for KYC, anti-money laundering checks, and source of funds documentation, as well as blockchain analysis to make sure the funds are clean and good to go. If they pass, make that offer on the property and let's close the deal together. Step 3, how is the offer written? Property price is in US dollars, crypto equivalent at the time of agreement. Nothing changes. You write up the offer in US dollars because the title company will receive US dollars for the closing, not crypto. Step 4, how price volatility is locked in and managed. We use an institutionalized trading platform account specifically for converting crypto into US dollars, which benefit from lower fees and better rates. This advantage mainly comes from higher trading volumes, negotiated discounts, and the use of professional execution tools that we use to make the conversions. We do not profit from the market volatility, and we always pass on the best rates to our clients. Step 5, what happens at the closing table? It looks just like a normal cash deal. The title company receives a wire from our FDIC-regulated money services business bank account and closes the deal in US dollars. It's that simple. Just like a normal cash transaction, fully legal, compliant, and secure. If you have a potential client who wants to use cryptocurrency to purchase a property in the state of Florida, don't brush them off. These are real buyers who will put real money in your pocket. Contact us today and let us help you close these types of clients.